The tools you will need are 3, 4, and 5 millimeter hex keys, Phillips screwdriver, and wire cutters. These are the parts included in the L10-05-2. 1 hitch lock, 2 brackets, 1 switch cover, 2 handles, and hardware pack. The first step is to remove both screws on the hitch lock. Once screws are removed, remove top of hitch lock. Then take out switch bracket. Now we mount switch bracket on a panel, making sure threaded holes face out. Insert bolt in center hole. Take other switch bracket, line up with center bolt. Using square nut, tighten down bolt. Take your 5 millimeter and make sure it's snug. Next, we're going to start to cut the mesh. Take your wire cutters and remove the inside mesh of the switch bracket. Now we need to install the Allen Bradley 24 volt non-contact switch, Axelent part number B503. Using the screws provided, use a 3 millimeter hex key and insert into the switch bracket. After the switch is installed, we need to reassemble the switch cover. Make sure that the two lines are side to side. Now we need to reinsert the 2 screws that we removed from the switch cover earlier. Once the switch cover is reassembled, insert inner handle using 5 millimeter hex screw. Once the inner handle is installed, repeat the steps for the outer. Our next step is to simply install the switch bracket on the post in the keyhole slots. Now install the switch onto the post switch bracket. Then put on switch cover. Now that the switch cover is installed, put in the two small caps where the screws go, covering up your bolts. The final step in the process is to put over the handle covers in front and back. For final adjustment, if there's play in the door, take your hex key, loosen this bolt, adjust as needed, retighten, and that's it.